Hey everybody, Philippe here with Fontana. Today we are talking about tin fish. Now tin fish are canned fish and crustaceans that you can get in and out of season. They last a really long time. People are just now rediscovering these. And so I wanted to be able to show you a combination of various ones that are out there, different ways to eat them. We do have something like crackers that you can purchase pretty much from anywhere. You can get a baguette, make your own, or just slice it and make some bruschetta to be able to make crostini in your Fontana oven. That's a really, really easy way to show all of these things simply by opening up a can. You have a great appetizer to be able to show to your friends as you're preheating your oven for pizza. So let's dive in. I'll try to go through each one and explain to you what I have here. So a lot of you guys know that my wife is gluten-free. So for those that are gluten-free, one easy way to make crackers is to slice carrots. And now you can slice carrots in an angular slice so that it becomes not just a little disc that you cut a carrot, but this makes a great little cracker as well. So with this, I'm going to show you a combination that my uncle taught me back in Italy. Now he grew up in Estonia, or he lives in Estonia, excuse me, and they have lots of caviar, but he actually made something almost exactly like this for me for breakfast one day. I showed up and he said, Philippe, I want you to try something delicious. So let's take a look at this. This is sour cream, chive or green onion, and we have some beautiful caviar. This one just happens to be, let's see if we can get some light on that, just happens to be salmon caviar. So here we go. Let's try this out on a carrot cracker. It's actually really good with carrots. Rachel, you're gonna have to try some.
Can't wait.
Now what we have here are smoked mussels. So let's take a look at this. Now it's really just in olive oil, which is kind of simple. So what I have here is some very, very spicy Mexican salsa. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lime. Check this out, a little bit of lime juice. All right. Now, hopefully I don't get the hiccups. Here we go. Now you see that needs salt. It's surprising. It's very good. It has very good flavor, but it needs a little bit of salt. That's actually a really good combo. You should try it. Now here we have some smoked rainbow trout. So I don't know if this has bones in it or not, but let's look at this. All right, so smoked rainbow trout with a little bit of salt over the top. Let's try. Now that is good. That's really good. Now, all right, I'm gonna get you one on a cracker. So we're gonna do this, look. I'm gonna give you a little bit of salmon.
I would like a cracker with that,
A little bit of everything, don't you? All right.
and that.
So let's try this. This is salmon.
And that.
Try the salmon.
And that.
What do you think?
This is like tuna.
It tastes like tuna. As a matter of fact, it kind of does taste like tuna. That's also very good.
With that, and that.
Naomi, these are a lot of things. Let's do this. Watch. I'm gonna take this cracker. Okay. I'm gonna let you try a little bit of this anchovy. Now this is very salty, but you like salty things, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the best.
Where is this? Where is
Oh man, this is a long one.
Ooh, anchovy?
Naomi, you're not gonna like this so much.
Why?
Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Put it right here. Oh, you want a little bit of sour cream with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it yummy with sour
I've
cream?
never had it with sour cream. We usually have it with butter.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Open your mouth. Lick your lips. What do you think? Thumbs up? You like it? Is it a good combo? Not a good combo?
Tastes good.
Oh, it tastes good. Here we go. Now we're gonna try some whitefish. This is some mackerel, excuse me. So it's not just whitefish, it's mackerel. Holy mackerel! And this is habanero salt that I'm putting over the top. So this is actually gonna be a little bit spicy. Look at this.
I would like some of this. I really would like the salmon. I
That was
love
very
this. I love the salmon more. Can I?
All right, so we've tried a combination of all the different fish. I think these tinned fish, as far as my favorite by far is the rainbow trout. But the rainbow trout is really good. The salmon, what's the salmon like?
It tastes like tuna.
It tastes like tuna. The salmon is really good. The mackerel has actually a really good flavor without being overly fishy. So it's not as fishy as tuna. My least favorite is probably the mussels, even though that was really good with this very, very spicy. This is ghost pepper and Carolina Reaper hot sauce. So that was actually really good with a little bit of lime juice. Yep, and this one actually, I think this one ghost, this might actually be ghost, no, this isn't ghost pepper salt. I have that as well. This is habanero salt, and that is really, really good. It adds a great flavor, but you can do the combination of all of these things, mix it up. Naomi had anchovy with sour cream. Sour cream actually goes well with a lot of different fish, but
Yeah.
I've enjoyed this experience very much. Naomi, have you had fun?
Yeah.
You have? Great. Hey, do you want an olive?
Uh-huh.
You do? Okay.
I love olives.
Now there's a pit inside, okay? So watch out, don't bite too hard. All right, that's a quick review. Enjoy this really good, easy appetizer as you're prepping for the rest of your meal. We'll see you guys next time.